just the lash lift alone, and it has been like 3 weeks and it still looks really nice. Hello, my name is MakeupbyMarissam. Thank you so much for tuning in. Today I have a really cool video because this is something that I do every single month for the past like 4 months, and I'm obsessed with it. I have been doing my own lash lifts at home. I get the kit off of Amazon. I'm going to put a little picture up here, and it works really well. I will suggest if you are under the age of 18, please do not do this yourself. These are chemicals. You don't want to mess with anything anywhere near your eye. I really love doing this at home. It just saves me time and money, the most important thing, and it lasts and it works really well. Oh my gosh, I forgot that I haven't posted since I hit 1,000 subscribers. Thank you guys so much from the bottom of my heart for subscribing to my channel and helping me get to 1,000. I think I'm almost at 1,200 right now, which is crazy. It's been like 3 weeks since I uploaded. I've gained so many new subscribers, so thank you to all my new subscribers and the ones that have been with me since day one, 4 years ago. I really appreciate it. You guys have no idea. I'm going to be doing a $100 giveaway, so stay tuned to the end of the video to see how to enter. A little note, I'm looking crusty and dusty in this video. It's very casual. I had just gotten out of the shower, no makeup, my hair's wet. I'm looking a little busted, okay? So we're just going to ignore all that and we're just going to pay attention to the lash lift part, okay? Can we do that? I'm just kidding, but if you want to learn how you can do your lash lift at home on a budget, please keep watching. So this is what the lash lift looks like, and I got it off Amazon. It has the directions on the back. We're gonna get all up close and personal. This is what my eyelashes look like. They are really straight. I did my lash lift about a month ago, so we are just going to lift these lashes. It says use cleanser number 4 to remove oil, dust, and makeup residue. I just got out of the shower, so I'm not gonna deal with that. Apply the eye pads. I don't like to do that. Put glue on the eye pads and place it on the upper part of the eyelid and make sure it's stayed. These are the little lift pads right here. They look like this, and they come in different sizes. I use the larger ones because my eyelashes are pretty long, and one time I tried to use the smaller ones and my eyelashes looked ridiculous, so I use the largest they have. Okay, here we go. So right here on top there's a little thing that says L. I don't know if you can see, but this is the larger one. Oh, this one you might be able to tell easier. This one says small, SM. What you do is you glue this onto your lid like this, and then you're going to stick your eyelashes onto this plastic thing with the eyelash glue, and it looks like this. And what I do is I'm literally sitting inside of my sink right now. So the mirror is like right here. I'm gonna try. So I'm gonna put glue on the back part of this thing right here. Right on this back of the plastic thing. And then you're gonna stick it on your eyes, and I'll show you in a second. It's very uncomfortable, like no part of this is comfortable, but you gotta do what you gotta do. It has glue on the back, and then I'm gonna stick it on my eyelid, but first I'm gonna let it dry. Actually, I'm gonna dry it with my little blow dryer. Okay, now I'm gonna stick it on my eye. Like so, like that. And it looks really horrifying, but this is what you do. Make sure that it's on there. Really good. I want to hold it for a second. And then you're gonna look crazy, okay? There's nothing beautiful about this. Now that that's glued, you want to put the glue on top of the plastic thing right here. You want to make sure there's a lot of glue because your eyelashes need to stick to it. Key is to let this dry for a second because your eyelashes will not stick to the pad if it's not dry. And this needs to stick better. I'm gonna get the tools. while that's drying. And these tools really come in handy. You're gonna get this little tool with the little spiked edges right here, and then you're gonna start combing the lashes on the thing. Like this. You wanna make sure all of your lashes are stuck on there. And this is the hardest part of the whole thing, is getting your lashes stuck on this thing. Just using the little combing tool. If they're not sticking, you want to put more glue. And I like to put them on the actual eyelashes. Make sure you're brushing it on, and so they're sticking. I'm not gonna lie, this part is really tedious and takes forever. But after the glue dries a little bit, it becomes a little bit easier. You just keep sticking them on until they're all on there and they don't move. I'm gonna add more glue. The more you blink, the more they fall down. So the glue is the most important part of this whole thing, is to make sure that they're glued up and there's none straggling. So you really want to take your time on this part. It takes a while, but it's worth it, guys. So take your time or else they're gonna look funny. So I do another layer of glue. And it should look like this. It's kind of gross looking, I know. They're all on there. They look pretty spread out and even to me. So next thing is, you're gonna take a Q-tip and you're gonna apply the stuff to it. Number 1, perm lash. With the Q-tip, I'm gonna dip it in. Maybe not remove that with your mouth. Ew, that tasted really bad. I'm applying it to the root. And then brushing it up, but focusing on the root. This stuff smells really bad, by the way. Okay, and then you leave it on for, I like to leave it on for 8 minutes. It says 10 to 12, but I do like 8 minutes. Hey Siri, set timer for 8 minutes. Okay, doesn't want to work, cool. Timer's on for the first one, so now I'm just gonna get a clean Q-tip and kind of wipe the number 1 off, and then kind of stick the eyelashes back on at the same time. And with the other side of the Q-tip, I'm gonna go in with number 2. It's the little fixation one. It's a blue color, and I'm gonna. Ugh. I don't know why I keep doing that, it's disgusting. And I'm gonna do the same thing, work it in, focusing on the root area. And be careful with your eyes. Should look like this, and then I leave it on for 8 minutes again. Periodically, I am getting the Q-tip and making sure the eyelashes are still sticking to the pad, because remember, that's how they're gonna perm. And I have this one eyelash right here at the end that loves to stick out straight, and it's so annoying. Timer is done. So I'm gonna get a clean Q-tip and kind of like take off what's on it, what's on the lashes. Just kind of wipe it down like this. Then I'm gonna get the little cleanser one, also on a Q-tip. And then I'm just gonna start rubbing it on the eyelashes, and the eyelashes will start coming off of the plastic. Kind of like removes the glue from the plastic and the eyelashes. And I'm gonna take off the plastic off my eye. Ugh.
and they're gonna look crazy right now because there's so much glue, there's so much junk on it. I'm gonna get a makeup wipe and go under my eyelashes and go upward. Kind of get all that stuff off it. Look how crazy they look. And I'm gonna clean around it, and then I'm gonna go upward. You don't want to go downward because you still have Perming solution on your eyes. Just kind of wiping it off. And then now you can see the difference, and there's still glue on it, so it still doesn't look as good as it's gonna look when I wash them, but you can definitely tell the difference. They look nice and curled. So now I'm gonna do the other eye off of camera, and I'll be back. And for some reason, this one went on so much easier, and that always happens. Always one eye that goes on 5 seconds, the other one takes 30 years. Okay, so I just washed and conditioned my eyelashes, and this is what they look like. Nice and fluffy. I think this one did a little bit better than this one, but it's all good. It is all good. I love the result. So I'm gonna do my makeup and then I'll be back. I'm gonna look better than this, hopefully. We'll see.
So these are what my lashes look like without mascara on. I'm going to use the Kat Von D Go Big or Go Home mascara. I have been loving this mascara so much. Literally using it like every single day. Actually, I have been using it every single day. So, as you can tell on this side on the corner, I went a little bit overboard and I redid it, so it's a little too curled. But it's all good. So let's apply this mascara so you guys can see what mascara looks like on top of a lash lift. I like to blink and put mascara on because it goes from the root all the way to the end of the lash. Make sure that it gets every single part of it. This is what one coat looks like. So pretty. I cannot live without doing lash lifts now. It makes my life so much easier. If you saw my eyelash video that I uploaded like 3 years ago, you would see the struggle. I literally curl them and I had like 10 steps to doing this. And now I just put mascara on and I'm good to go. So this is what a lash lift looks like with one coat of mascara on my eyelashes, and tell me that doesn't look freaking bomb. So good. This mascara is really good too. So it's been about 3 weeks since I filmed the lash video and my eyelashes are still popping. So I don't have any mascara on, so I wanted to show you guys what it's like to put mascara on after a few weeks. This thing lasts. It lasts. I use the Kat Von D Go Big or Go Home mascara, and I've really been loving this mascara. I've had it for about a month now, and I will say that it gets dry really quickly. So it's not as good as like when I first got it, but I still really love it. I need to pick up another one. So we're just going to apply mascara on my eyelashes. I have not curled them with an eyelash curler or anything. This is just the lash lift. One thing that I don't like about this mascara is that it's sticky, so when you have mascara on your bottom lashes, the top and bottom stick together, and I cannot stand that. So I don't know if it's because I need to get a new mascara or what, but it is not cool. But it makes your eyelashes look so fluttery and so pretty. I really like it. And this is what they look like with one coat of mascara. No curling or anything, just the lash lift alone, and it has been like 3 weeks and it still looks really nice. So let me switch to the other side. I hope it's not blurry. And these are what my lashes look like with one coat of the mascara. Did not curl them with my eyelash curler. This is just a lash lift, and tell me that they don't look pretty bomb. My eyelashes are like stick straight, so this is really impressive. Like I promised, I'm going to be doing a $100 giveaway to Sephora. So to enter that giveaway, all you have to do is be subscribed to my YouTube channel and follow me on Instagram, and leave your Instagram handle in the comment section of this video, right below. Following me on Instagram is not mandatory, but it's going to be easier for me to message you and find you, and also I'm going to be announcing the giveaway winner on my Instagram, so it just makes it easier for everyone. And I mean, my Instagram is pretty cool. So thank you guys so much for all your love and support. My next giveaway is going to be when I hit 5,000 subscribers. Can we get there? I hope so. I really want to just share my tips and tricks with you guys and what I do to save money on here, because that's really important to me. But I hope you guys like this video. Thank you guys so much for your love and support, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.